Hey, this is Roma, and you are watching The Voice of Conscience. Personality refers to a person's unique and enduring pattern of thinking, feeling, and behaving. Subsequently, our personality have the potential to greatly impact our well-being. Why personality development is required? Personality development is considered to be one such need which helps people improve their skills and develop them on a personal and professional level. Having a great personality includes dressing, better grooming, speech of a person and their interpersonal skills, etc. No matter which career plans people choose, if they don't have a better personality, they will always lag behind among others. Developing the personality can have a lot of positive effect on your life and career. Here are some tips that will help you improve your personality. Meeting new people. Always make an effort to meet new people. Engaging with people provides you with a lot of experience and knowledge. You can learn so much from different people. Meeting more people can expose you to new cultures, opinions, ideas, and it can expand your mind. It also makes you more tolerant towards other people. Become a good listener. Being an excellent listener is a very good skill. You can learn a lot from your surroundings. When you listen to others, you give them importance, so they start engaging with you and pay attention towards you. It allows people to be more open to you and they will comfortably share any information with you. You provide the same feelings to other people by being a good listener. Try to instill this trait in your personality. Become a better conversationalist. Having more knowledge means that you can contribute more to the conversations that you have with other people. If you want people to listen to you, it is important that you are an impressive talker. It's not possible to know everything, but if you are good in making conversations, then you will be able to share your knowledge and learn from others as well. Treating people with respect. Honesty and truthfulness are essential qualities for an effective and good personality. It is important that when you make promises to people, you fulfill them. You can only earn respect and admiration of others if you extend the same feelings towards them. If you have integrity and respect, then your personality will shine among others. Respect yourself and others, and you will have a good life if you incorporate this. Develop leadership skills. If you want to achieve success in your personal and professional life, it is very important that you seek to develop your leadership skills. Developing leadership skills will help you be confident and motivate others, and you will look forward in improving people. People will start seeing you as their leader, which will ultimately help you to develop yourself. I hope these tips were useful. Please press the like button and the bell icon so that you get the video updates every Sunday. Thanks for watching.